Welcome back, folks. I hope you are doing well. We were talking about some basic and simple Excel activities, and we did some activity last day. Today, we're going to do some average. Average is also one of the very easy functions of Excel. So, what we do is we get an arithmetic mean in this activity. So, normally somebody asks you, can you get me an average of this or that? Very easy. We can do it now. So we have this data from yesterday, if you recall. I'm simply going to add another column, average. Okay, spelling mistake, average. So is equal to very easy functionality, as name suggests, average, average. That's the function that you will use, and then you will select all of the week. Remember, don't add the total sum; it will destroy your average. So you want to get an average of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You selected all of them. Select. So this means that for tomatoes, on average, you were making around 49 euros of sale. Let's see, how did we go with others? You simply have to drag it down and leave it, and you got the average results here. So on average day, the best you could get was the average for Apple. You got a good average. So you can see that on average, where you were making some good progress in that week. Now, there is another functionality while you have learned the average function. It's very easy. Now you must practice on your computers, okay? And you share your comments in the comment section if it was difficult for you or easy. For those of you who want to know more about this functionality, I'm going to take you through another, let's say, next level of this average, that is average if. So let's move on to another spreadsheet here. What I've done is I have segregated, so we have taken weekly sale for each one of these uh, fruits and vegetables. But the problem here is that we don't know how much is the average for tomatoes, how much is the average for green peas and mushrooms as well. So first of all, I will copy all of them at one place so that I have that with me. Then I will simply write is equal to average if. This is a very beautiful function. It is consolidating the numbers for you. So average if, first of all, you need to give the range. You've given all of the table here. Then comma, it's asking you to give a criteria. What should be the criteria? The criteria should be tomato or whatever you put in this cell. Then what is the range where you have to select this? So I have to select in this range. Close it, and there you go. Now, what happened here is I did deliberately an error. I have selected the range of the numbers first and then the title afterwards. We have to do other way around. Let me repeat it. Is equal to average if, and it will work. You see, average if you select the range where you want to select. So we selected the vegetables where I want to search. Search what? Tomatoes. So in this vegetable field, search for tomatoes. So what is the average range? That is going to be my total sales. So I'm telling Excel that wherever there's tomato, make an average of that. Now I close it and I got an average. This is the average of my tomatoes. And if I drag it down, I can see the average for other fruits as well. So simply what you have to do is, first of all, you will select the criteria, what you want to search in. Criteria is tomato, and then you go on with the numbers. Very simple. So you select vegetable name first, then you select which vegetable you want to search, an average for, and then you select where you want to make this total. Okay, average if was a little bit different and probably a little bit difficult. So I would suggest you to try average first and then you come to average if. If you get an error, let me know. I have showcased one error just to make sure that you understand how the errors look like in average if. I hope it was entertaining, fellows, and some learning as well. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it already, and don't forget to share it with your colleagues and friends and like this video. Looking forward to speak to you again very soon. Till then, stay safe and take care. Ta-da.